All right, guys, so today we are looking at a pair of the M11 waterproof FRS PMR radio 2-pack. These are pretty inexpensive for a 2-pack of FRS radios. FRS radios are something that I used to use a lot when I used to motorcycle ride. I'd get actual headphones connected so I could communicate with other riders. But a lot of people use these for whatever kind of reasoning you have. Anyways, this is the M11 from TIDRADIO. Great price, $40 for two. Currently, there's 7 reviews giving it like 5 stars, which, you know, you can't go too wrong with that. A little bit of information here. Frequencies 400 to 480 megahertz. I think it's megahertz. 2 watt power output, 1622 channels, 1000 milliamp battery, hidden display, NOAA weather forecast, busy channel lock, Bluetooth programming optional, crack copy, and save frequency side buttons. Waterproof. All kinds of fun stuff. But this is one of their really their basic models. Nothing like they have some pretty fancy versions out there too, but this is kind of the beginner model, the starting point. This is a great thing for you, for the family, if you need 2 people to be able to communicate with. Anyways, I've taken this piece out of the box because I wanted to see. I wasn't sure which model. It does look like when you see here that this may be something that you can get possibly in different colors, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. I don't really even care that much, you know. Anyways, it comes with a little holder here. So this is going to be your belt clip if you want to be able to strap this onto your belt, of course. It looks very well constructed. I have to say, like, if you look at that, like, it looks very well constructed. So that's kind of nice. You do get 2 of them for sure in here, which is good. You're going to have your actual little wall charger, which is USB-A to USB-C. And you are getting two of those in here, 1 for each. And as well, you're going to get some little straps if you want to be able to put that on, strap that onto your wrist instead of having it on your belt, I guess. Anyways, that's them right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to charge these up because I don't know if these, it says it has a hidden display, yes? So I'm going to turn that on. Oh yeah, no, it does. So you guys see that? It looks like considerably brighter on the screen, but that's it right there. There's that hidden display, right? You guys can hopefully see that on there. So again, I'm going to charge these up. I'm going to just give them. So it's talking. That's kind of cool. Anyways, I am going to charge these so we can see what they do. Now, but on the side here, just so you guys see, there is a headphone jack, there's a microphone jack, and there is your Type-C charging port, which is there. Again, you have your on-off right here. And I would say here, this is your push-to-talk button. And this is going to be your ability to go up and down through your channels right there. So very simple unit. My guess is with the 2 of them, they should be defaulted to the same channel. If this one is even, yeah, this one doesn't have any power at all. So this one has to be charged. So we're going to charge them, make sure they work, and we may just go for a walk just to see how far we can get from each other. Fun.
All right, so you can tell I have a cold now. A cold is coming. But got to walk you outside. Monique just left with the other one in the car. So Monique, can you still hear me? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can.
So far so good, and she's way up there now. All right, so we'll let me know once you turn at the stop sign.
All right, I am at the stop sign, but I'm not turning yet.
Okay, you can already tell that at the stop sign we're getting a little bit.
Now I'm turning.
Okay. So she's at the stop sign, which is probably about 1 kilometer and change away. So give us an idea. And it's pretty line of sight. There shouldn't be a whole lot of interference. We are under some power lines. Can you still hear me now?
Yeah, I can still hear you. I can hear the wind outside. I don't hear you. You probably can hear in the car.
Yeah, I can hear a bunch of like almost static as well. I think we're getting to the limits of how far this can actually go. Yeah, at this point I'd say you're as far as you're getting, because I could barely hear that last one. It was just all kinds of static.
Well, as for Arthur, I am in front of Boston.
Okay, well, we'll stop this for now because I think we're as far as you're going to get. So when you come back, I'll talk to you and see how far you actually made it to so I can hear you better. So you can turn this off now. So as you could hear, it was good up until about the stop sign, right? And the stop sign is, you know, you're probably looking at about a kilometer stop sign. Once it went around the stop sign, we slowly started getting a whole lot of static and interference and things like that. So we are in the city. So of course, if you were going to be driving or using these out in the country, there'd be, you know, you should be able to get further just because you'd have less interference with all the stuff around. But if you are using it in the city, I would say kilometer, you may get 1.5 kilometers to 2, possibly. But within the kilometer, you should be good. I'm gonna just check when Monique comes back just to see how far she actually got when we turn these off, and then that'll be the end.